Thank you for your purchase on Bumble Deluxe Magic Car. This magic car comes with stylish design, strong body base, sleek design steering. This car is very easy to assemble by following some simple steps. You would be needing a screwdriver, a piler and a T-shaped screwdriver for assembling. You can assemble this car by using these parts. Step 1. Take the main body and insert rear wheels to the main body, on both sides. Please fix them by using provided screws. In the next step, insert steering wheel rod through the body and attach the front wheel with foam tube. In the next step, insert steering to the steering wheel rod, lock the same by using warshell and nut in place. Place steering wheel cap to the steering for a final touch. It's time to place two AA batteries to activate music. Your beautiful Bumble Deluxe Magic Car is now ready for use. Dash Ride, Kids Pride.